Who owns the rain? Turns out, not you. You're actually breaking the law if you try to capture rain falling onto your roof and pour it on your flower bed.
I'm Dave Davis, and this is Evangelist Wayne Broyles. I tried to get him for quite a while to do shows with me. I appreciate you coming, Wayne.
Thank you, Dave. Dave and I worked on a program just recently on food, and I like the way that turned out because as a Christian, we need to be concerned about the food that we eat. But today, we're going to talk about that little clip we seen just a moment ago, Who Owns the Rain?
Go ahead and watch your show. Don't try to learn, don't try to know what's going on around you. Channel surf and watch your game. A world away, it's not the same. The difference will astound you. Turn away, deny your fear, and believe it won't happen here. The news is too depressing, and the facts are too distressing. So look away, say it ain't so. Close off your mind so you won't know. Ignore the problems that need solving, and while your world's slowly dissolving, look away. And while you're lying in your bed, don't think of all the people dead who were innocent of any crime. Another world, another time. Been convinced that you're just one. There's not a thing you can get done, and so you live inside a bubble because you don't want any trouble. But there's so much we can get done, a million multiples of one. And when you see it all around you, what we accomplish will astound you. Your destiny depends on you. You'll be surprised what you can do, but you can never visualize if you don't open up your eyes. Open your eyes. And now the time has finally come. We can't be blind or deaf or dumb. It's our responsibility to look around and think and see. I know you're frightened, yes, you're scared, but we must all soon be prepared. Your greatest challenge is before you, and your survival will depend on the fact that you will never look away. Yes, your survival will depend on the fact that you will never look away. Don't look away, don't look away, don't look away. Don't look away, don't look away, don't look away. Don't look away, don't look away, don't look away. Don't look away, don't look away, don't look away. Don't look away, don't look away, please don't look away. Please don't look away. Please don't look away, don't look away. Don't look away, don't look away, don't look away. Don't look away, don't look away, please don't look away.
You know,